Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today's we're diving into the GMGS PRO V3. Now showing live account performance, GMGS PRO V3. Now see the growing graph, balance profit drawdown. Here you see the trading history. Now let's jump into MT4. Here you see the inputs. Let's start the backtesting. Visit Grow More Grow Safe and grab the GMGS PRO V3. Get the link in description. Don't miss this incredible offer. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.